Hello Numberblock fans! Today we're going to exploring our new number blocks from 201 to 299 part 8, which I call 222 to 224. Let's build the number block 222. Number block 222 has 200 peach blocks, 20 normal peach blocks and 2 orange blocks. Well, I don't have peach blocks, so I use the yellow blocks instead. We build 20 peach blocks overall from 1 by 20 rectangle formation. Phew. Right. We got 210. And then we're going to add 20 more. 10 more to make 220. Like this. And then we add 2 orange blocks more to make 222. Like this. Let's attach a face sticker all together. We got this rocket shape eye, because the numbers which can divide by 37 should bear rocket accessory. And we got the mouth. Well, he has 3 eyes because he's made out of 2 lots of 111. And we got a plus sign, which is the hospital sign times 6. Because I see there's a popular sign for the 37s. And we also got a rocket helmet 222. And also we got rocket fin. And then the last for his pocket. Right. And don't forget the number link. Here's our number block 222, which is made out of 6 lots of 37s or 2 lots of 111. For the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 223. First we build 223 into 200 light peach blocks. Then we add 200 normal peach blocks and 3 yellow blocks. Well, 223, since he can make any rectangles, he can make only prime position, which has, or also we can say he can divide only 1 and himself, which means he is a prime number. He is the 48th member of the prime number for number block 223. Well, 223 we build like this, and he has the face similar like 48. Why can't? Oh my gosh! Oh my hand! All right, let's attach the face sticker. He has yellow features, only yellow eyes and the yellow mouth. He has rectangle eyes because to represent the number block 48. Well, 48 has the rectangle eyes too. And he also has the yellow mouth. His yellow features to represent the number block 3. He has 3 yellow blocks. Well, we also got 2 eyebrows. One eyebrow has the 200 color pattern. Like this. This is the number block's 200 eyebrow pattern, and the right one is which has 2 colors, one for the peach color and one for the yellow color. This is to represent the number block 23. So 200 plus 20. Oopsie. All right. Well, 200 plus 23 equals 223. And we also created a number link for number block 223. Here's our number block 223. Last character but not least is our number block 224. First, we build 224 into 20 by 10 rectangle formation first. Well, actually, 224 has his own rectangle, which is 14 by 16, but I can't build like that, so that's why I build like this. I attach it like this. There. Here is our number block 200. And then we attach this number. So I don't have peach color, so I use the yellow color instead. There. Like this. Then we're going to add 4 green blocks. Oh my gosh, too hard. Yes. And then let's attach the features. First, we put the headband. Headband and has a sign times 32. And that's because 224 is made out of 7 lots of 32s. Or 32 lots of 7s. But also, he's made out of 16 lots of 14s. And also 8 lots of 28s. And there's more. There, he has Octoblock's eyes. Do you know? Because he is made out of 8 lots of 28s. And he's the 8th member of the Prom Club. 28th member of the Octoblock Club. Sorry, not Prom Club, because he's an even number. Well, also we created his eyebrows as a rainbow color. You know why? That's because not again, guys. I hate like this. I hate being like this. There. Rainbow eyebrows. That's because he's the 14th. He's the 16th member of... He's the 32nd member of the Rainbow Club. And he can divide it by 14s too. This is because he's made out of 16 lots of 14s. And we also created his own mouth. He has green features. This is to represent the 4 enders, right? 4 enders, I put green features. And then, let's find his number link. Here's our number link, 224. Alright, here's our number block 224, which has 7 lots of 32s or 14 lots of 16s. And this is all of the characters that I've built in today's video. So which character do you like the most? 222, 223, or 224? Please leave the comments. So that is all the end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and click the bell icon to see my more new videos. So see you again next time. Bye bye.